Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete memories on Snapchat. I was going through my Snapchat memories the other day and realized I had way too many old snaps saved. Some of them I didn't even remember taking. So I decided to clean things up. I opened Snapchat and tapped the memories icon, the little gallery icon below the camera button. Once all my saved as snaps showed up, I pressed and held on one photo, which instantly put into selection mode. From there, I tap on a few more snaps to select multiple memories at once. Honestly, this makes things way faster than deleting one by one. After selecting everything I didn't need, I tap the trash or delete icon, confirm the action, and just like that, they were gone. If you only want to delete one memory, you can just long press and delete it directly. It's a quick way to declutter your account because let's be real, not every snap deserves to live forever. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.